And our Billy can certainly choose his sitting down points. What the dickens? He's using the laptop keypad to rest up. What is he like? You're like wee Billy. I don't know. Is there heat coming out of that laptop? There probably is. That's what he's after, no doubt. My goodness. It must be so uncomfortable. Like there's tens of other places around the house, but he chooses to sit on the keypad. And half an hour later, Billy is still napping on the computer laptop keyboard. Why? I don't know. What is he like? Contrary? Eccentric? Or what? Billy. And he's ignoring me. Totally. And Billy is still sleeping. What is it, Billy? He's had a hard day. Eating and sleeping.
Where's your charger?
And Billy got up and turned round and lay down again. Unbelievable pussycat.